In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate QuickBooks with ClickUp. This integration is a fantastic way to streamline your workflow by automatically transferring data between these two powerful tools. Whether you're managing invoices, keeping track of expenses, or assigning tasks, this integration can save you a lot of time and reduce data entry errors. To get started, we'll be using Zapier, which is a third-party automation tool that connects different applications. First, head over to Zapier's website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, look for the option that says Create Zap. Clicking on this will begin the integration process. The next step is to set up a trigger. Triggers are events that start the automation. For our integration, we're going to use QuickBooks Online as our trigger application. From the available options, choose QuickBooks Online. You'll then need to pick a specific event within QuickBooks that will initiate the automation. A common choice is New Invoice, which means that whenever a new invoice is created in QuickBooks, this will trigger the next steps in ClickUp. After selecting the event, you'll need to connect your QuickBooks account to Zapier and perform a test to ensure everything is working correctly. Don't skip this test, as it helps confirm that Zapier can access the required data from QuickBooks to trigger the automation. Next, we move on to setting up the action. Actions are the tasks that are executed once the trigger is activated. Here, we'll be using ClickUp as our action application. Choose ClickUp from the list and then select what action you want to happen in ClickUp when the QuickBooks trigger occurs. For our example, we'll select Create Task, which will automatically generate a task in ClickUp every time a new invoice is created in QuickBooks. After choosing the action, you'll need to connect your ClickUp account to Zapier. Once connected, you'll map fields from QuickBooks to ClickUp. This is where you decide which data from the QuickBooks invoice, such as the invoice number or customer name, will appear in your ClickUp task. Carefully mapping these fields ensures that the information flows correctly between the apps. Finally, it's time to test your Zap to make sure everything is functioning as intended. Zapier will run a test to simulate the trigger event and subsequent action. If all goes well, you'll see a success message indicating that the test data was successfully sent to ClickUp. Once you're satisfied with the test results, you can go ahead and turn on the Zap. From this point forward, every time the trigger event occurs in QuickBooks, Zapier will automatically execute your defined action in ClickUp. And there you have it. You've successfully set up an integration between QuickBooks and ClickUp using Zapier, making your workflow more efficient. By leveraging this automation, you'll save valuable time and ensure consistency across your tools. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.